This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNN. We're coming to you from the Disruptive Growth Company Showcase 2017 here in New York City. I have with me today on the program Mike Pruitt from Chanticleer Holdings. It's a publicly traded company on NASDAQ, and the symbol is HOTR. Mike, welcome back to SNN Live.
Thank you for having me back. It's been a while.
It's good to see you.
It's great to see you.
Let's get started with an overview of the company for our audience, and we'll go from there.
Well, Chanticleer is, like you mentioned, traded on NASDAQ under the symbol HOTR, and we're a holding company in the restaurant sector. And, initially our focus was on the Hooters brand, which we still maintain a stake in the parent company of Hooters today and have 9 Hooters franchise locations. But over the last 3 years, through 3 acquisitions, we've now our focus has been more on the better burger category with the acquisition of a concept in DC, Portland, and in Charlotte, North Carolina.
So, burgers. Why burgers?
We saw that there was a void, we thought, in the market to buy up regional concepts with great unit level economics, very loyal following, social media stats that were superior to the industry averages, and take behind the scenes, be able to pull out a little bit of cost after we acquire them, but not change anything about the concept that makes them so popular. And like I say, the 3 acquisitions that we've done, we've been able to experience, great things, and our concepts are award-winning. In DC, we've won the best burger 3 years in a row with multiple publications. And in Oregon, our concept there is actually, besides winning Oregon, is one key things is one of the best concepts in the country. So right now that it's working. Unfortunately, it's not being reflected in our share value today. But at the same time, we're building the business, and sooner or later we know that will correct itself.
So let's discuss. These are all company-owned stores, or are you combination of franchise and company-owned?
So right today we are majority company owned, but we do have in our BGR brand and now in our Little Big Burger brand initiated franchise programs. So of our 61 locations that we ended June 30, 14 of those were franchise locations. And since the end of the quarter, we've announced an 8-store franchise deal in San Diego with Little Big Burger, a 3-store deal in Austin, Texas with Little Big Burger. But we've also announced 3 company stores. So it's it's going to be a combination of both.
I always, when I discuss restaurant businesses, what differentiates your concept, your stores, from whatever else is going on out in the market?
Well, look, at the end of the day, everybody, there's a lot of people that have good burgers. And, so what differentiates us is, our people. This is a people business at the end of the day. Our training of those people, how they've bought into the concept. And then, look, in each of the concepts that's working, there is unique factors to it. Like, for example, we have a ahi tuna burger in D.C., and we have asparagus as a side, which I never thought I'd see in a fast casual burger restaurant. And then up at Little Big Burger, we have truffle fries, which, are addicting. And we have a root beer float with some of the best vanilla ice cream in the world, and at Tillamook Creamery up in Portland. So there are unique factors, but at the end of the day, it's about serving a quality product, but giving people great service and building a rapport with the consumer that makes them want to come back.
So what's on the horizon for the company in terms of guidance? Only tell me what you can tell me so we can get that information.
So we reaffirmed after our Q2 earnings call that we said at the beginning of the year 6 to 10 stores that we'd open this year. We've got 4 open to date. The first Little Big Burger in Charlotte's open in a couple of weeks, and we reaffirmed that we'll make those guidance numbers. And then we've said, which we did a year ago, that we're going to double the size of the company to 110 units by 2020, and we continually reaffirm that each quarter and give the market how we're going to do it, and we just got to keep executing and gain that respect back.
Let's get your website out there for more information, if you would.
Okay, it's chanticleerholdings.com. And our symbol, again, is HOTR, and you can follow that to our website if need be. And then from there, you can go see all of our brands and the exciting products that we sell in our stores.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mike Pruitt, Chanticleer Holdings. It's a publicly traded company on NASDAQ, HOTR. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNN Live, and we're coming to you live from the Disruptive Growth Company Showcase 2017 in New York City. Mike, always good to see you. Thanks for coming on.
Always my pleasure. Thank you.